Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change the language settings on GitHub. So, if you want to browse GitHub in your preferred language, make sure to watch this video till the end. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the GitHub website. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Next, you'll be taken to your account management page. On the left-hand side, click on Public Profile. Now, scroll down until you find the Trending Settings section. Under this section, look for the Preferred Spoken Language option. Click on the drop-down menu to see all the available languages, then choose the one that best suits you. After selecting your desired language, make sure to save your changes so that the new settings apply the next time you browse GitHub. And that's it. You've successfully changed your language preference on GitHub. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. See you in the next video.